Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn data roaming on or off on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap the gear icon on your home screen or app drawer to open up the settings menu. This is your main hub for all device configurations and connectivity options. Once you're in settings, look for the option labeled Network and Internet and tap on it. This section manages all your wireless connections, including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and roaming settings, so it's essential for controlling how your phone connects when you're traveling. Next, you'll see an option called SIMs. Go ahead and tap on that. This brings up the settings for all SIM cards currently installed in your device. If you have multiple SIM cards set up for different carriers or purposes, you'll see them listed here. Now, tap on the SIM you're currently using. This ensures you're adjusting the roaming settings for the correct carrier, which is especially important if you have a dual SIM setup. Once you're inside the settings for your active SIM, scroll down until you see the roaming option. This setting controls whether your phone can use mobile data when you're outside your carrier's network, typically when traveling internationally or in areas covered by partner networks. Right beside the roaming label, you'll notice a toggle button. This is the switch that activates or deactivates data roaming for your selected SIM. To turn data roaming off, simply tap the toggle button. You'll see it switch to the off position, which means your phone will no longer use mobile data when you're outside your home network. This is useful for avoiding unexpected charges when traveling abroad. If you want to turn data roaming back on, just tap the toggle button again. It will switch back to the on position, allowing your device to access mobile data through roaming networks whenever you're outside your carrier's coverage area. And that's it. You've successfully configured your data roaming settings on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.